Entrepreneurship channel, The Crypto Factor. Yes, and today we are going live from Butler's Cup in Corridalos. I'm here with Diaz. If you don't know Diaz, that is Diaz. He wanted to come with me for a coffee, and basically he is chilling out. So we're going to be talking about crypto, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, we're going to be talking about the crypto markets. I'm going to be answering your questions, so if you have any questions at all, put them in the chat, and we'll be answering those questions for you. Anything goes, no problem whatsoever. Just make sure you like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next live stream. So what do I want to talk about today? I want to be talking about the crypto markets. I want to be talking about capitulation, what capitulation actually is, if Bitcoin has capitulated, and what that exactly means. So yes, tell me where you are watching. Again, I am in Corridalos. I'm at Butler's Cup. We came down for a coffee. My girlfriend is actually on the radio station. She has her own show, and I have a few hours to kill until she finishes because I'm a taxi driver apparently now. So I came to this cafe and chilling here, decided to go live while I was also reading my book, The Bitcoin Standard. This is the latest book I'm reading. Highly recommended by Saifuddin Amrous. So let's get those questions in, and let me talk to you a little bit about the markets. We're sitting at about $19,000, and we did go down to about $18,000 or 18,000 something a couple of days ago. So what's going on? Do we have further downside? What are we looking at? What are we hoping for? And etc. Right? So listen, I'm the one, I've been calling for $20,000 Bitcoin with a wick down to 17,000 for a while now. I've been telling you that if we broke a certain level, which we did, it would be in a bear market. I was one of the first people to call the bear market, and I also called the level of 20,000. Now a lot of people are calling for 12,000. Some other people are calling for 8,000. I don't see that. I really don't. I'll tell you when we could see that. But generally speaking, I am still in my range. What is my range? 20,000 with a wick down to 17,000. Now, if we break 17,000, if we break down, we could be seeing a $14,000, $15,000 Bitcoin. We might even see a $12,000 to $14,000 Bitcoin, but that's the black swan event, which is quite possible now with everything that's going on. But under normal circumstances, I don't think we would have gone down to that point. I just don't believe we would have. Of course, with all the macro stuff that's going on, with the wars, this, that, so on, yeah, you don't know what's going to happen. The world's crazy right now. It's going nuts. That said, I do believe we have capitulated. Now, when I say we have capitulated, a lot of people are confused because they think capitulation is a candle. They think it's an hourly candle, a daily candle, and it's the lowest point of a drop. It is not. Capitulation is not according to price. That's what a lot of people get wrong. Price and capitulation is two different things. Although they go hand in hand, it does not mean a bottom. A bottom is very different than capitulation. And I can argue that in Bitcoin, we've already capitulated. We capitulated the $17,500 mark when everybody was on-chain metrics show that a lot of people panicked and they started selling their Bitcoin. People that held Bitcoin for a year, they held since $60,000, they have capitulated. Now, does this mean the price won't go lower? No, I'm not saying that. I told you that's got nothing to do with it. But what I did say is that we are, see, capitulation, so you can understand, is not price, it's a range, right? So capitulation could be anywhere from 14,000 to 17,000 or 15,000 to 17,000. That's capitulation, right? We have already seen capitulation in my view. So right now, what you should be doing is DCAing into cryptocurrency if you want to make that in an investment, or even DSAing, which is what I do. They're a bit different than DCAing. And we're going to be talking about what DCA is. We're going to talk about what DSA is, so you know the difference. DSA is my own terminology for something, a system that a few people do, but there's not really a name for it. And I'll explain to you, I've coined the phrase DSA, and I'll explain to you what that is. And then I'll go into the chats for a little bit and answer your questions here. By the way, again, I'm Butler's Cup. I'm in Corridalos. We're having a coffee with Diaz. There's Diaz sleeping right there. He's just chilling while I do this live stream. So, This is not soda, it's tonic. After the soda and tonic. Sorry, it's okay. Thank you. So, gotta get my soda. So, what is what is DCA? DCA is called dollar cost averaging, and what that is when you get in at certain levels over time, it plans out the average best price. So, if for example you want to invest $10,000 into Bitcoin right now, you could DCA over 6 months and put, let's say, I don't know, 1,500, can't do the math right now, dollars a month. And if you do that over a few months, you'll get the best average price possible when you're DCAing. You could also do that while you're getting out of markets, by the way. You can DCA into markets, you can DCA out of markets. Does that make sense? So you could be buying Bitcoin every week. You could also be selling Bitcoin every week. Few people talk about that. So that's one thing. When DSAing is pretty much the same thing over a period of time, except we go with the swings. So you DSA, you dollar swing average. So every time there's a swing low or a swing downwards, that's where you average. And I actually made a video about that. You could search it on my channel. It gets more detailed on how to use this strategy. So anyway, that's what I have to say about Bitcoin. That's what I have to say about cryptocurrency markets right now. That's what I have to say about capitulation. What capitulation is, DCA and DSA. Let's take your questions in the chat. I see Alistair II saying we'll need XRP ATMs in 2030. Alistair, I already own a Bitcoin ATM that has cryptocurrencies, and I already sell and buy XRP. If you didn't know that, I already have one in Santorini Island, and I have exclusivity for all the Kyklades islands around there with Bitcoin ATM. So if somebody wants to buy or sell XRP and they happen to be in Santorini, you can actually do it on my ATM. And you can buy and sell with cash. I see Mashur Ali Wani saying, since we're talking about Bitcoin, just give us some resistances. Okay. I mean, interests are still rising, man. I want to put in orders, buy Bitcoin up maybe. Yeah, you can slowly get in with DSAing or DCAing because we're already at these levels. Even if we go down to the 12K level, right? It's still a good level to get in if you think Bitcoin's going to go to 100,000. Of course, do your own research. This is up to you. But if you believe Bitcoin's going to go up, this is a range that you should be getting into. We have resistance at 20,000. I think we have a second resistance at 23,000, 25,000, 29,000, and so on. I can't really look at the charts right now. I'm just giving you psychological numbers, round numbers, because I can't see the charts. I'm on a mobile phone. 17,900 a couple of days ago was a very good buy, in my opinion. I bought some too. Hi, Crypto Factor. Thanks for being live. Thank you, Marvin, for thanking me for being live. If that makes sense. Subscribe down below, by the way. Hit the bell notification button so you don't miss videos like this. This video is all about cryptopreneurship. This channel is all about cryptopreneurship. We do daily videos, 60-second videos that get straight to the point. We do interviews with some of the most successful people and pioneers in crypto. We do a whole bunch of things. You'll like the channel. I promise. You'll love it. Maybe. Dave Flowers says, I'm waiting for a little dumpy for my DCA this week. Yeah, I am at the point where whether we go lower, which I actually prefer, so I can buy some more, or whether we go up from here, I'm pretty much set up. This is like where I'm going from here, so it's pretty cool. So either way, whether we go down, whether we go up, I'm in a good position, and I'm very happy with it, so it's cool. I think someone's gonna step on my dog's tail. Mina. There you go. Sorry about that. That's my dog. Someone was going past with a pram and almost hit his tail, but didn't. So he's chilling. Okay, let's see what other questions we have here. I like the sound of 12,000 Bitcoin. Hey, 12,000 Bitcoin would be good. I don't think we can get that low. Usually markets either go further than what you think in either direction or even less. So a lot of people saying that Bitcoin never does, or cryptocurrencies or markets never do what you want to do. So if you aim 12,000, it usually goes 10 or 8 because it goes worse. But what people don't understand, it can also go less than what you're expecting. So you could be expecting 12,000 to go to 10, but you could expect 12,000 to go to 14, 15, which is pretty much where I'm seeing it on the next leg down. At least that will be the next support level. I'm in Mallorca in Spain. Spain, beautiful country, beautiful country. I really want to come down there and visit you guys. I feel we're due for a green week. Alistair, maybe. I hope so. Right now we're in pretty much no chart land. We could be just like consolidating and just go sideways for months from here. We'll see. Do you DCA, Marvin says, is the right strategy, or should we wait until Bitcoin drops more? It's very hard to catch the bottom. I don't know what DOM is, by the way. XRP, ADA, and DOT sounds good. I would not be getting in those cryptocurrencies right now. I would be getting into Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe. And the reason is, those are going to be moving first. You're going to have time to get into those other cryptocurrencies, whether you use USD, Tether, USDC, or even Bitcoin. So I would wait on confirmation of bull market. And if I was going to get into other coins, I would get in the top 10, but I still think we have time for that. Right now, playing it safe, holding Bitcoin, gives you the opportunity to be exposed in the cryptocurrency market, but it also gives you the opportunity to buy other cryptocurrencies with Bitcoin, if that makes sense. I'm going to roll today, by the way. I'm going to roll today, meaning I have energy, meaning I feel good, meaning I'm doing this live stream earlier, so I'm not that sleepy, which is pretty cool. By the way, there was different types of news with Voyager app stopping withdrawals and a whole bunch of crazy stuff going on in the crypto world. I don't want to talk about it here because I already talked about it on BitBoy Crypto's channel around the blockchain yesterday. So if you go to yesterday's videos on around the blockchain, sorry, on BitBoy Crypto's channel, then you can see us discussing all that. Yeah, under 20,000 is a fantastic price if you have at least a 3-4 year plan. That's very true. I'm laughing at Moonchild saying, tell that Malaka tonic isn't soda. It was a girl, it wasn't a guy, man. I mean, come on, she made an honest mistake. She made an honest mistake. Na suexigiso o tito tonic and then in a soda. So there you go. She didn't see the label. Okay, look, in her defense, this is so, when you buy Schweppes soda water or tonic water, it looks exactly the same. It's like this, but it says tonic instead of soda right there. So I don't know why they didn't change it to like be green or some shit like that. They decided to make it exactly the same. So I'm not gonna hold it against her. Good morning, good morning. You're good at pronouncing names. I'm doing my best. I probably murder most of them, Ashur. I do travel a lot. I've lived in a lot of countries, so I tend to be able to pronounce some of them okay. Always praying for your good health, Paul. It's good to see you're looking healthy. Thank you very much, Alistair. I really, really appreciate you. Moonchild says, I paid off my mortgages on my house back in 2017 bull market. Well done, congratulations, that is awesome. That's why you should always take profits. I love that. So now I'm putting 95% of my paycheck in stocks and blue chip crypto projects. Now is the time for yes, I agree with you, Moonchild, and congratulations. Yes, same here, man. I did very good since 2017 as well. This time I've been making investments. I bought some land. I bought a house with a friend of mine so we can make it into an Airbnb next year. I bought a Bitcoin ATM, and I am also starting my BitBulls project. If you haven't seen it, check it out, bitbulls.io. We're doing a whole bunch of stuff. Fixing my beach house. You should visit Mexico City, my friend. I should, Patricio. I would love to, man. I would love to. Howdy from Texas. Hey, my sister lives in Texas, by the way. Love Texas. I love the cowboy hats. Yo, buddy, what is your local time right now? Sean from Ohio. The time 7 in the evening. Man, mate, how are you? I'm doing great, Jimmy. Thank you very much. What do you think of PulseX and PulseChain? I don't think much. This is going to come out either wrong. I sacrificed for PulseChain, and I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. For me, it's an experiment and a vampire attack trying to start another blockchain, which is genius of Richard Hart, it might work out very well. I don't think everything is going to have a value for the simple reason that the solutions they provide have no context if they're on PulseChain and may not work. But I do think that some cryptocurrencies, let's just say it's weird. I don't know how to answer it. I want to be part of it just in case. But it can go either way. It could be total genius, multi-billion-dollar idea, or it could be complete flop, in my opinion. Alex Papadopoulos, that's my partner right there of bitbulls.io. And yes, I love you too, man. I love you too. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Really appreciate you. If you're wondering what I'm doing, by the way, I am in Corriere Los in what was it called? The Butler Cup. And the reason I'm here is my girlfriend is on the radio. She's having her own show, and I'm here, waiting for her, doing a live stream while she's on FM. Or a show on the radio that's going to be on FM. Kind of confused with what she's doing, but she's doing well. But yeah, everybody check out bitbulls.io. If you could put bitbulls.io in the chat, I would really appreciate it if somebody else could do it, or maybe the Discord channel so people can join. That is an amazing project. And Alex, he's the co-founder, he's the big guy behind it, because he's the one that does all the graphics, the gameplay, the game. He owns the company Art and Roll, and you should really check it out. And while you're at it, check out his company Art and Roll as well. Where in Greece are you from, my friend? Well, I live in Greece. I'm in Corriere right now. I was born in London. I moved in Greece many years ago. And I've been living here since I was 11. So 33 years I've been in Greece. My actual bloodline, if you really want to take it that far, is from Crete and Cyprus. And I do have some Armenian blood in me as well. And bastardized. Didn't take as much profit. Yeah, happens. I'm in San Antonio, Texas. Awesome, man. That's close to my sister, man. I think she's in Dallas. I think that's close anyway. Greetings from Palm Desert, California, brother. Hey, greetings back right to you, Johnny Midas. Moin from Hamburg, Germany. Yes, Torsten. Love Germany. I toured Germany back when I was an MC. Hi, are you in Mexico? No, I am not. I'm in Greece. I'm in Athens, Greece. I know a guy who was helping a VC build a solar-backed BTC farm in Mexico. That's pretty awesome, Sean. Moonshot says, didn't take as much profit this bull cycle. Yeah, we were all a bit, I thought we were going to go up even more after we broke. I saw with my double top, but I refused to believe it. But I did take profits once we were going down below 52K. And obviously I took profits the first time we were up at 60K. I also called the 30K bottom, which is where I bought again. Give me a second. Dia, tika again. Say hi. Sicko. There you go. That's his saying hi right there. Good boy. So Dia says hi. That's good boy. Free. Due to the problems with the security of exchanges like Voyager or Celsius, which code wallet would you prefer to secure our coins? If you are talking hardware wallets, if you're talking offline wallets, I use Ledger Nano S or X now, obviously, because upgraded. But Trezor is actually a pretty good wallet as well. If you're talking online wallets, I use Exodus.io. I think it's an amazing wallet. I know JP, by the way, Richardson, who owns it. And is also the CEO. I also use MetaMask for DeFi and so on. It's always better to get your coins off of exchanges regardless, by the way. Only keep on exchanges what you actually use. Mashur coming in with a super chat, and I just spat all over the place, but thank you very much. Really appreciate you, man. Really appreciate that. I love super chats. I love super messages because they show me. Elate, te τον βγάλω. Έλα, Διαδό, έλα. Thea, I don't know. I don't know. Someone's scared of Thea's. She's gonna walk past. Okay, εκεί φαΐ είναι δύο άτομα σήμερα, don't worry. So the lady said a dog ate her once and bit her. She said ate, which I thought was pretty funny, and for me to grab Diaz. And I said that he's already eaten 2 people today, so not to worry. But I had to hold him so she can feel safer to walk by. I mean, come on. It's only fair. Some people are scared of dogs. It's fine. Little do they know, I probably bite them. Dia will probably lick them. Yeah, I was waiting for that blow off top as well, to be quite honest with you. Bitbulls, can we join pre-sale or private? Yes, you can join pre-sale or private if you go to the now he's licking everyone. If you go to the Discord channel and just ask how you can take a part of it, and yes, you can. Especially if you tell them you're coming from the Crypto Factor, this channel, obviously you can. Reach out to Alex, you'll see him, he's up there somewhere. I'm not sure if he's still watching us, but yeah, you could definitely do that. Alistair II coming in with another super chat. Thank you very much, really appreciate you. That's what I was saying. I really appreciate super chats and super messages because it shows you care. It shows you care, and it's like a sign that you care more. I don't expect people to do it, by the way. It doesn't mean you don't care if you don't do it, but I just know that it's pretty cool. Let's just say that. An MC or DJ? No, I was an MC, Sean. I played at the Euro Palace in Germany. I traveled all of Europe MCing. I was in the biggest islands in Greece. I performed with the DJ from Public Enemy, with Main Flow from Mood and so on. I had quite a good career. Are you in Athena? My family is from Thiva. I am in Athens, man. Thiva is a beautiful place, by the way. Nice dog. Thank you very much. This is Diaz, the original Bitbull, by the way. This is how the Bitbulls game. Okay, there's a story behind it. I'll tell you the story one day. I went to Austin. Another super chat. Thank you very much, Moonchild. Really appreciate you, man. Really. By the way, all these super chats go to Diaz, my dog. I get him treats and stuff like that, just so you know. So next live stream, I'll probably have some treats for Diaz and do it live. And now we have a couple of people here talking to Diaz as well. See, he loves everyone. Check this out. You can't get past if he doesn't lick you. All right. All right, let me see where we are now. Diaz licking everybody. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Where was I? I'm trying to look where I was in my chats here. I use Ledger and love it. Yes, so do I. I went to Austin Consensus to meet my Web3. Oh, cool, man. Awesome. Yeah. I'm going to do an event here in Greece called the Crypto Factor event. The Crypto Factor event pretty soon, by the way. I'll let you guys know. I'm planning to do my own conferences here. With Alex, with Bitbulls, by the way, with Art and Row. We're planning to do a lot of stuff. I would get off any non-tier 1 exchange. Yeah, I agree, man. Trezor, yeah, Trezor is actually pretty good. And it's also good because it works with Exodus. They have like a deal and they do stuff together with it. My 2 cents 100 times. I like that. That was funny. Where's your Discord link? I don't have a Discord link here. If you go to bitbulls.io, if you go to Bitbulls on YouTube, you'll see the Discord link at the top. Only Bitbulls has a Discord link. I personally do not. I love dogs. Hello, Paul says, Bobby Crypto Granny, how are you? How is everything? How's your channel doing? I love your channel, by the way. Check out Bobby's Crypto Granny's YouTube channel, by the way, if you want. Best Web3 projects, and what about Cardano land? Ooh, great question. Well, best projects would be bitbulls.io. And Cardano land, I'm going to make a video about. I think I will talk about it a little bit on Sunday. I made a video about it, by the way. I hear good things. How can I put this? There's outside information that some very heavy players that are going to be involved. And I'm not allowed to say anything. Bow, wow, wow, yippee-yo, yippee-yay. But that's what I heard. I don't want to, like, get in trouble. Hutchinson's. I'm sorry. But that's what I heard. It might not be right. So that sneeze and that giveaway might not even be right. And if anyone sees this video, I'm going to get in trouble. And just so you know, that video I made for the land, the Cardano Island, I did not get paid for that video. I'm not getting paid for mentioning it right now. I do have a deal to get some land for a dedicated video, which I have not done or mentioned. I can't remember where it was. But I was so excited when my friend talked to me about it that I made that video as an extra. And that's why I'm giving that outside information, if you know what I mean. But please, do your own research. Keep that in mind, and I will make a sponsored video or post for them at some point. Hopefully, unless they pull it away after they hear this video. But it's very rare I do some extra shit without getting paid because I really believe in something. I mean, as in a project, not like, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I have a Boston Terrier French Bulldog mix named Simon. Awesome. He's eating me out of my house and home. Yeah, they do that. My dog literally ate my house and home. Like, I had 4 couches. He ate them all. I now have a new couch, and I'm getting a new one. 1 second. Mine. Gato. Gato. H. Dia. Gato. That's not gato. He's totally ignored me. Where was I? We'll be having price hike on Sunday or Monday and then reject from 22,000 to 15K. Your thoughts? Oh, we could. Possible. Let's see. I don't have charts in front of me, so I can't really answer that question right now. Maybe I'll answer on Sunday if it's not, well, it will be a bit too late. But I'll answer on Sunday when I do a live stream. Jimmy K, that's Discord link for BitBulls. Oh, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. I can't see it though. I'm not sure if it's hidden because it's a link. But yeah, if you go to BitBulls, the YouTube channel, you'll find it, or you'll find it on bitbulls.io if you can't see it on YouTube right now. I think links are hidden from showing up. I think Coinbase, Binance, and FTX are really safe. Keep large sums of money, or even in good times. I don't keep large sums of money. I think the most I've ever kept on an exchange is about 30,000. I wouldn't keep more on there. I would take it out. There's no point. If you're not going to trade it, why keep it on there? Why risk it? It kind of defeats the purpose of cryptocurrency. Not your keys, not your crypto. Come on. Some people complaining about the dog. Yeah. Hi, Gala. I removed all my assets from Femex and Bybit except assets from Cardano. That makes sense. Thank you, Paul. Slowly but surely. Much love to the channel. It's an open classroom. Please come back. I just want to educate. That's all. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Someone just said another. Someone just said, Alistair, thank you for another super chat, man. Yeah, thank you very much. Someone's talking too much. Yeah, and thank you very much. Really appreciate it, man. Hello, sir. Charles Hutchinson Is hiring coders, engineers, I think in September. Cool. Hey, big bro, love from India. What's up, India? Love the doggy. I love the doggy too. Doggy loves everyone, by the way. Are you covering your package? What? Am I covering my package? No. No. There's my dog right there. I sleep better now that I took your advice on a wallet. I got 3 Ledger Nano X's. Yep, it's you only need 1, by the way, but no, it is a lot better. It's a lot better to split your money if you have 3 as well, by the way. Just ignore him, love the BGM music. What do you think about KuCoin? I love KuCoin. I use KuCoin. I wouldn't keep a fortune on KuCoin at this time. I did hear some rumors it might be, it might have a liquidity problem. I don't know. I think KuCoin's fine, but right now I have less than $1,000 on it. But yeah, laughing my ass off package. Short comment on XDC. Remind me what XDC is right now. I stash them all. Cool, man. I agree, not your keys, not your crypto. I don't think Coinbase will fail. If it does, crypto industry. Yeah, well, you know what the thing is? Even if it doesn't fail, it takes 2 weeks to get your money off there if you can get them off there in time. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, do we have any more questions? Come on. By the way, like this channel, give this channel a like, share it with some friends if you're enjoying it, and if you don't want to miss other videos, other live streams, and important updates, go ahead, subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. Please go ahead, like this video. I see 17 likes. I see more people viewing, I think. Bring them in. Bring them in. Hey man, Saud Ut has a glow. One of friends works for BD for KuCoin, another BD friend from Bybit. Got you. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much, Bobby. Oh, Stellar Lumens. Well, you know, I like Stellar. I think it's got crazy tech. I know that United Coin is actually built on the Stellar and it works great. But I think, I do believe that XRP will have faster, I think it will go up first and then Stellar. Either way, I think Stellar is something to accumulate in the next bull market. Hit the likes. I don't keep money on KuCoin, even in the bull market. I worry about if they're solvent. That was the word I was looking for, by the way. For multiple successful hacks, not sure if they can absorb attacks like Binance. Well, Binance is the biggest exchange, right? By the way, let me show you where I am sitting. I'm sitting in this bar right here. It's called, what's it called? Bachelor's Cup. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. First time I came here in Cote d'Ivoire, waiting for my girlfriend. She's got that radio station thing going and waiting her for it to finish. And I figured I'll do live stream. And I bought my puppy for company. Which altcoins are you investing in most and which are your favorites? So my favorite altcoin is Ethereum. That's the one I'm investing in most, especially now. If I invest in anything at all, it would be Ethereum. I do hold Solana. I do hold Avalanche, which I like, and Cosmos. I'm actually staking those. I did have DOT. I told you guys when I got out so I can buy back lower, same as Link. And I got out of a lot of my top coins. I left some coins that I couldn't be bothered to change because the amounts were so low. I'm like, fuck it, they'll just go up again or not. But yeah, mostly right now I'm in top 10, top 20 coins. No fee for using Binance. Yep, beautiful place. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it, Bob. I don't see likes. I asked you guys for likes and I saw 1 like. I saw 1 more right now. Come on. I'm not asking for super chats. I'm asking for likes. They're free. I just hiccuped and said free at the same time. I gotta get a like for hiccuping and saying free at the same time. Can you hiccup and say like at the same time. By the way, reading the Bitcoin Standard. This is a really good book by Saifuddin and Musa. I recommend you read this. No, this is not sponsored. Oh, nice song. Go. I think Ethereum, Atom, ADA, DOT, AVAX, Link, ICP, and Gala. Yeah, those are good coins. I also hold Sand and Decentraland. I forgot to mention those before, and those are some of my favorites. I would get back into Gala. I got out when we were going down, by the way. I got out a lot of coins on the way down. I would give you multiple likes, but I can only give one. Thank you very much, Marvin. Really appreciate you. Dear Lord, please bless all those who hit the like. Bless thy like button and all thee upon it. I am launching 2 NFT meta projects on Matic, so I invest. Oh yeah, Matic, I forgot all about it. That is one of my favorite altcoins, by the way, Sean. And yeah, I would love to hear about your projects. Hit me up. Any more questions? Hey Paul, Tricky BJJ, what's up? Coming in late to the live stream, but better late than never. Everdome, awesome, man. Oh, Everdome, I thought you meant something else. I haven't looked into Everdome. How to DM you? Just go to cryptofactor.net and just send me an email. Or Twitter, MCPaulD on Twitter. Okay, let me see if I can put it in the chat. Give me a second. Oh, I can't. Don't know how to write in chat. MCPAULD is my my Twitter handle. I hold 49 different coins. That's awesome, dude. That's the one, MC Paul D. I kept it for my MC days. Fun fact, I used to MC, had some hit tracks, wrote some music. Pretty much all your calls, then some randos. Yeah, thank you very much, man. Well, you probably made some money if you sold and took profits when I was telling you too, right? Hopefully. Everdome has an amazing team behind it. Liquidity safe for the next 3-4 years. I think we'll be top 3. I'll take a look at it. If I remember, I'll take a look at it, Marvin. Paul, how come... Yeah, I do know, Tricky, I do know. Paul, how come alts are not capitulating? Because they've already capitulated, in my opinion. They might go down more in price, but they've already capitulated. Bitcoin already capitulated, we know that. Listen, capitulation has nothing to do with price. Sure, it tends to happen when prices are lower or go down, but capitulation does not mean the bottom price. Capitulation is a range. And on-chain metrics actually suggest that we've already capitulated for Bitcoin. So, we'll see. Skim life. Skim life. All right, everybody, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Thank you for joining another live stream. What are my thoughts on HBAR? I think HBAR is going to be great in the next bull run. As I was saying 6 months ago, HBAR is great, but I think it will do better in the next bull run. Thank you very much. Appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.